Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I have a correct name. You can't get it in Gorilla Tag. So today I want to show you how you can get such a name. For that you have to quit your game. Then you have to type in registry editor. After that, go to high key current user. Go to software. Then to another axiom, and then double click on Gorilla Tag. Just scroll down completely and search up for player name. It's right here. Double click it and you will see like here's the correct name. Just delete it and just add your name, like add and stuff like that. You know what I mean? If you're done, press OK, close it, and just open Gorilla Tag. Go to your name and you will see this. So as you can see, this is my name now. So this is client-sided, so no one will see it. So I guess other people will see nothing, like you have no name for other people. But like for yourself, you have this correct name. Yeah. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments. I will help you. And yeah. Please like and subscribe. It really means a lot. And yeah. It's free. And I hope you have a nice day. And by the way, this is only PC VR, only Steam VR. Like, you can't do it on Quest standalone, like all of my other videos. And yeah, thank you for watching. See ya. Bye.